Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can set up the enhanced e-commerce conversion in your Google Analytics 4 account, and in this video we will see particularly for WooCommerce store, WooCommerce WordPress store, and we already covered about the Shopify store. So if you have Shopify store then watch this video, but if you have WooCommerce WordPress store then this is the video. So guys, let's get started now. Guys, process is very simple and very straightforward. So I hope you already have your Google Analytics 4 account and your GTM account. So if you don't have this account, then set up your Google Analytics 4 account and your GTM account. And once you set up this account, then you need to visit into your WordPress admin panel and install this plugin. Just click on the plugin section, add new, guys. Now we need to configure some variable. So that's it guys. Now we need to configure some variables, some custom variables and some tags and trigger, but this process is little bit lengthy, so for your ease I've added the container link. You just need to download and import. So visit this link I've added in the description. You just need to download this container, click on the download. all the sessions, and here you can see now purchase is also updated. So that's how we can track the enhanced e-commerce conversion for your WooCommerce WordPress store. So that's how we can track all the enhanced e-commerce conversion for your WooCommerce WordPress store. But still, if you have any question, then comment down below. I'll try to resolve your query as soon as possible. And if you have any question, then comment down below. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.